This is a quick one. You probably didn't know this existed in Canva. If you come to the home page of Canva, you look over here, you see where it says Dream Lab. You click on Dream Lab. So here on Dream Lab, this is the text to image tool Canva has. Though they have under text to image tool, which is built into the Canva editor when you're working on Canva. So for this text to image, if you're in a free plan, you get 20 points monthly to generate images with. So you can generate images with 20 prompts. So, but for me, I'm on a pro plan and I have 500 points to generate images with every month. This is where you're going to paste your image prompts. For here, you can add image to guide what you're generating images for. If you have a reference image, you can use it to guide your creation. And for here, there are different styles you can create in. You can create in cinematic concepts, creative, bouquet, macro. All these styles are here for you to pick up from. And there is the aspect ratio, where you can set what aspect ratio you want to start creating in. So if you scroll down here, you will see start inspired with a few of these ideas. You have all these images that have been generated by Canva. You can copy either of these prompts by just clicking here that says use and use the prompts to generate what images you want. But me, I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt here, and I'm going to add an image to guide my generation. I'm going to upload file. This is the image I want to guide my generation. This is my prompt. I'm going to hit on create. It's going to use one credit. And if you scroll, you start seeing your generation. This is what it generated. So what if I take this out and ask it to generate again? This is what it came up with. Try this out and see if this text to image works for you. Do have a good one.